It is 7:30, June 16th, so a summer day in California. And Sean, how do you feel about the temperature?
It's cold.
You're wearing a hoodie.
I'm wearing sweatpants and shorts, and I'm in a blanket. We haven't even made it outside yet, and I'm cold.
It's reported to be as chilly as 54 degrees right now. And we have to drive with the windows down. So we're all just kind of waking up here. I'm kind of gathering what's going to go to the track. So we have to be there at like 8:10. We have to be there at like 8:10-ish. Driver meeting at 8:40-ish. And then we don't drive until like 10 o'clock. So I'd say none of us are really in any rush to do anything anymore this morning.
Breakfast!
Cupcakes!
Cupcakes! And then there's Eric.
And then there's breakfast. Anyway, we'll catch up with you guys when we're ready to get going.
So one thing I've got to say that is a big rule here at Laguna Seca is sound. There is a sound restriction here. Today it is 90 decibels. What you can do is there is a sound check. So again, if you fail that sound check, it counts as a strike. I had some people come up to me like, why would we do the sound check then? That's a fair point. I mean, no matter what, if you fail the count against you. Before, like I said.
Can you tell us where the sound?
I cannot. Someone else can. I'm not going to openly say it. Most people in this room know where it's at, but I cannot openly say where it's at.
Is it normally where it's at?
Sure. High intermediate is point by recommended. It's not required, but please be nice to each other. Everyone else, point by is required. Beginner groups, point by only on the straightaways. I don't want to see any point bys in the middle of the corkscrew or anything like that. You guys laugh, but we've seen it.
Well, so get this. For beginners, no one rides in your car.
Really?
It's groups of 3 or 4, and you follow the instructor.
Oh my.
It's
So
lead
you
and
ride
follow.
in your car?
Yes. And you guys are ready for this? After 2 sessions.
That's it? You by yourself?
So
You're happy?
I'm happy because I've had other experience. I feel ready for that, and I think I will be ready after that's probably like 10, 11 laps.
Yeah.
But yeah.
What's shitty? Beginner.
Let me tell you, many feelings right now. Got M2, we got an F-Type, 911 Turbo. This is it. Oh my God, guys, this is it. E36 M3 in front and behind me. Got an F80 M3 behind that and an F30 340 behind that. There's a group of 4 of us. We're rolling out of the pits right now. It's so surreal. It's one thing to do it on Forza, but it's a whole other experience out here. She said on this first corner to turn in at 0.1. Look at the red. Unwind. Always looking ahead, guys. Always looking ahead. Turn in at 1. Move towards the red. longer Mazda Raceway, it's Weathertech Raceway now. So that's interesting. Coming up on the corkscrew. Definitely need some power just to get up. Turn in right at the crest. Oh my goodness, guys. Holy shit! Holy shit! Wow, I hope you guys get an idea of how crazy that was. Wow! That was bananas! I have the heat on my feet. Got all 4 cars keeping up real easy. Here we go. Yeah, there we go. Only 65, so we're slowly ramping it up. This is an instructional lap. That's really something, guys. Turn in at 1, aim for the red, aim for the red. Surreal, absolutely surreal. Wow. It's right here, it's kind of crazy. And then the corkscrew, holy f***. Oh, yeah! Ballistic, guys. Again, aim at the red. You guys, I feel right at home. This is home. Everyone behind me is just ready to pounce. Myself included. Wow!